We are given a system of linear equations and need to find the values of x and y that satisfy both equations. Solve the system of equations. For x minus y equals 7 and 3x plus 2y equals 8. We start by converting our system of equations into matrix form, which allows us to use matrix operations to solve the system. To solve the matrix equation, we need to find the inverse of matrix A and then multiply it by matrix B to find the values of x and y. We calculate the inverse of matrix A by first finding its determinant, which is the product of the diagonal elements minus the product of the off minus diagonal elements. With the determinant, we can now calculate the inverse of matrix A and then proceed to multiply it by matrix B to solve for the values of x and y. Finally, we perform the matrix multiplication to find the solution vector x, which gives us the values of x and y that satisfy the system of equations.